Good morning, Philippines. Hello, world. I'm Oscar. This is Millennial Memo. Personal stories from a new government employee living here in the province of Nueva Ecija. So, time check. It's 6:17. 6:17. Araw ng Lunes, July 29, 2024. So today is the first day of school. Buhay na naman ang mga kababayan nating mga nasa transport sector because of students going to their respective schools, institutions, and academic institutions. So I think DepEd starts their classes today, but for the higher institutions, katulad ko, I was able to start my class last July 15, 2024. So it's our second week of meeting mamaya. So first day of school, laging may kaba. Pero yung first day of schooling, medyo matagal pa. Second week pa ng August. Excited ang mga bata. Nagsuot nila uniform nila. So, alit ko yung asawa ko dito, So it's a cloudy day. It's cloudy today. So for our activity, di pa ako nakapag-upload ng video, Di pa ako nakapag-upload ng video last week. Anyway, try ko ngayon. So for today's video, our activity will be dami, siyam yata sinend ko sa kanilang reminder. We have the accounting, migration. After the migration, we have 3 migrations that will begin today. The accounting, the RPT, and the HR. So aside from that, our HR, Ma'am Dudley, will be utilizing portion or a PC in our office. I think meron siyang online meeting, I don't know. And aside from that, we have I will be preparing some letters for our seminar on August 29th, 31st. August. So last time nung nag-staff meeting kami last Friday, nung pinresent ko kay ma'am yung invitation, kasama daw siya. She personally the city mayor of Rojas City in Visayas. I don't know kung saan sa Visayas yun Rojas City. Let us see kung paano mangyayari. I will be writing a request letter for financial assistance. And yeah, ano pa ba? LSB meeting namin this week. I will be presenting the robotics module. I was able kasi to communicate and meet online the persons in charge of the robotics competition in DepEd. And yeah, civil service month, yung preparation namin, may kiride kami sa event ni tawag dito, ni Ma'am Dad sa civil service. Pero ngayong umaga magre-record muna ako ng aking klase, di ba? Yung sinend ko kasing reminder sa GC namin, Siyam yun. Natin kung alin ang ano mangyayari ng araw. Siyempre busy na naman ang kalsada natin. Pasok na naman, may nakabagong shoes, nakaputi, naka-t-shirt, pang puting t-shirt, black pants, white shoes, black shoes, pang uniform, kompleto uniform sila. Kompleto uniform yung mga ata ba. Dati ako tong mapasok dito Ngayon, pinagmamasdan ko na lang sila. Ang daming tricycle, sunod-sunod. So, nandito na po tayo sa LGU. Bigo na tayo Oh my God. So, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again. Oh, it's mahamog. Papalong hair na nga pala tayo mga bossing. Musta ang buhay? Malupiton. See you again. When I see you again, haba na ng buhok ko.